Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLC Coupe 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke alloys, front and rear LED daytime running lights, illuminated star in the grille, black MB-Tex interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, sunroof, rear spoiler, GLC 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, parking assistance package with a 360 backup camera with front and rear sensors, multimedia package with navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC Coupe has 26,482 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 4MATIC Coupe, check out feldmannimports.com.